Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. But this time we are going to, I don't know, but let's get into the video. Let's get into the video, guys. The most important stuff is the fireworks. Yep. You guys see this? Let me try zooming it in for you. Oh, I cannot. But you see very close on there is fireworks. I don't want to lose the camera here, but oh crap. But there, if you see very close on there, you can see there's fireworks. And we also found some other stuff right here. Alright, if you see very well, you're the best. Like in the main frames. Like in the main frame. Like this is in the main frame right here. This is in the main frame. Woo! This is in the main frames. Oh shoot! Oh my! Oh my! You guys see this? This title is gonna be called So Many Fireworks. Yeah! And the one that runs train choo choo. Yo! Oh my gosh! This is so many. This is in the main frame. This is really in the main frame. As you can see, my shed is right there. But this is in the main frames. It's like, bruh. Yo! This is one of the biggest bruh moments. This is one of the big bruh moments. Ooh! And the one that rushed train choo choo. Oh my guys! This is epic in the main frames. This is epic in the main frames, guys. Yo, I gotta go to my.
Look at the back over there.
Oh my god. Yo! Yo! Yo!
You're gonna see.
Yo guys, this is in the main frames. Woohoo! This is in the main frame. Woo! Yo, this is in the main frame. Yo, we would get so much views on this. Oh my god! Whoa! Yo! You see that, guys? This is so epic! Oh! Yo, this is in the main frame of recording. Oh god. Oh my god! Woo! Yo, I'm sorry for screaming. Scream warnings. Yo, this is in the main frame of recording, guys. Yo, this is super epic. Whoa! You see that, guys? This is in the mainframes. Oh my god! And there's my office, which my dad is in. And look at this, guys! So many fireworks! Oh my god! That's so good! This is so good! I'm recording! Whoa! Yo, this is in the mainframe of recording, guys. You see this? Whoa! Yo, guys, I'm gonna give you a closer view. Oh my! Ow! You see that, guys? This is in the mainframes. Oh my! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh my! Ah! Ah! Woo! Yo, we would get so much views. So our total goal of likes is 200 likes this time. And here's my dad. And look at this. This is in the mainframes, guys. Whoa! There's so many fireworks. Oh my god! This is epic. Oh! We're back inside, guys. We're back inside. That was so epic. So we're gonna end the video. Bye, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I've prepared for a new intro. Some fireworks, views for celebrations. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.